Nikon Z8 rumors, everything you need to know. 1. Release date. Nikon is expected to announce their latest camera, the Nikon Z8, in April 2023. Anticipation for this release is high among photographers and enthusiasts alike. 2. Camera type. According to rumors, the Nikon Z8 will be a hybrid of the Z7 and Z9 models, which are both highly regarded cameras in the industry. This means that the Z8 will likely inherit some of the best features of its predecessors, while also introducing significant improvements. 3. 8K resolution. One of the most exciting rumored features of the Nikon Z8 is its expected 8K 60p capabilities. This would make it a standout camera among others in its class, and allow for incredibly high-resolution video capture. 4. USB-C port. The Nikon Z8 is also rumored to feature a USB-C port for power supply and charging, a feature that is becoming increasingly popular among newer cameras. 5. EVF. Additionally, the camera is said to include a 9 million electronic viewfinder, EVF, which is a feature already present in some of Sony's top-tier cameras. 6. Battery life. As for battery life, the Nikon Z8 is expected to use the same NEL15C battery as the Z7, which is known for its longevity and reliability. Additionally, photographers can use an external battery grip to extend shooting capabilities. 7. Positioning. While it is not yet clear where the Nikon Z8 will fit in the Nikon camera lineup, it is rumored to be positioned between the Z7 and Z9 models. This means that it may offer a balance between performance and affordability, making it appealing to a wide range of photographers. 8. Usability. The Nikon Z8 is expected to be a fantastic camera for landscape and portrait photography, with huge improvements on accuracy and visibility of focus position. Additionally, the camera may be well suited for other types of photography, although this will become clearer once more details are released. 9. Pricing. Pricing for the Nikon Z8 is expected to be around €4,500 in Europe, although it is unclear if that price includes the lens kit or just the camera body. In the US, the price is expected to be slightly cheaper than usual. 10. Final thoughts. Overall, the Nikon Z8 is shaping up to be an exciting and highly anticipated camera release. With its rumored improvements in autofocus, EVF, and 8K 60p capabilities, the Z8 may be a game-changer in the industry. However, we will have to wait for the official release to know for certain. Hopefully, you found this video helpful and informative. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Stay tuned, and subscribe.